Welcome to our full guide on how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook in 2025. Roblox has taken the gaming world by storm, especially among students. Let's dive in. Before we start, it's important to understand the limitations of school Chromebooks. They often have restrictive settings and may not support high-end gaming applications. First, check if your Chromebook is compatible with Roblox. Look for your model's specifications and confirm it supports the required operating system. If your device supports it, download the Roblox app from the Google Play Store. The app provides a more streamlined experience for gaming. If the app isn't available, you can always access Roblox through browser alternatives. Open your web browser and head to the Roblox site to start playing directly. You can enhance your Roblox experience with Chrome extensions designed for gaming compatibility. Explore the Chrome Web Store and find the ones that suit you best. If you don't already have a Roblox account, setting one up is easy. Visit the Roblox website and hit the Sign Up button to create your free account. Once you're logged in, you can navigate the Roblox website, browse through various games, and find the ones you're most excited to play. Remember, while playing, be mindful of your school's internet usage policies. Always prioritize your studies and play responsibly. And that's it. Enjoy playing Roblox on your school Chromebook in 2025. Have fun, but remember to play responsibly and stay focused on your studies.